Hello everyone, this is my unboxing of the Tecsun PL-368. I received this on New Year's Eve. It arrived from China, was delivered by a company called Buffalo Express here to my house in South Africa. It took exactly 2 weeks to reach me from China, which is not bad at all. I ordered on the 16th of December and it arrived on the 31st. So very good service. I was very lucky. I bought this during the XH Data Christmas sale on the XH Data website, xhdata.com.cn. They had a Christmas sale which ended on the 29th of December. Almost everything on the site was 30% off. So I paid $61 for this radio. It's back to the regular price now on the XH Data website of $83. That's about 1,500 Rand in the local currency. $61 what I paid is just over 1,050 Rand. So quite a hefty discount. That sale was great, I think. I also ordered another small radio, but I'm still waiting for that one during the same sale. The package arrived like this from China. I haven't opened it at all. So this is a real unboxing. You will see through my eyes the first time as I see this. I haven't opened the box, so I have no idea what's inside. There we go, Tecsun PL-368. It's quite light. I have read some reviews that because of the internal battery that this one uses, it's much lighter than the 360 or the 365. I don't know what these things mean. All the writing in Chinese. I'm guessing my manual might also be in Chinese because this is the Chinese version. But there you go. SSB and synchronous detection. That is something that I'm quite excited to try out. So let's see. As you take it out of the box, nothing left. There is the Chinese manual. This is the Chinese version. I don't know if there's a date, perhaps. Some phone numbers for help, I suppose, in China. Yeah, I don't see any date of when this manual was printed. Nothing. But okay, the Chinese manual is not really an issue. It's very easy to find English versions of this manual online. So there's our box. It is the AM antenna that you plug in at the top of the radio, and cables, some headphones, and this is a charging cable, USB charging cable, the radio itself, there we go, and this Tecsun carry case. I quite like this. This is one of the reasons why I wanted to get one of these radios. I think this is very convenient for carrying around. Small size-wise. And here's our radio. So there would be an internal battery, yes. One of these BL5C batteries. Just need to remove this piece of paper, so that the battery will go live, and also there apparently. Oh, it just says up. Okay, and that's it. So everything is in Chinese. There we go. Quite a firm click there. So there we go. FM 87 to 108 and also 64 to 108. Medium wave 522 to 1620. You can change that to North America. 520 to 1710. It's got long wave from 153 to 513 and short wave from 1711 to 29999. There we go. So let's see the antenna. This is quite a long antenna. Good, it feels okay. It feels a little bit wobbly, but okay. I'm not going to do a test now. I'm just going to switch it on and I will have a quick listen on local FM station, and I will try to pick up one AM station using this antenna. There's only one AM station that I can pick up under normal circumstances during the daytime here where I am, and that's Lesotho LNBS, Lesotho National Broadcasting Service. They transmit from Maseru, the capital city of Lesotho, 200 miles, 350 kilometers from me. I sometimes pick them up in the day, so that'll be my quick test on this one, just to see how it does on AM. But let's see if I switch it on. And let's go. Okay, we are in FM. So I will try 101.5.
Catherine Daan Tous, baie mooi gesien in 2023. Dankie, ons waardeer dit. En dankie vir al die boodskappe wat inkom hier. Anton, ek het jou boodskap ook gekry, 'n paar wat nou nie name by het nie, maar ek waardeer iedereen elke. So skuins na 1:30, ons vat so vinnige blaaskans net hierna terug met Christopher Cross.
Good. So FM reception, that's station is RSG, Radiosondergrense Grense. It's a public service station in South Africa. Nice reception. I'm surprised by the speaker sound. It's better than what I had expected for such a small speaker. Really like the feel of this radio in my hand. So let's see on medium wave. I'm going to try 639 kilohertz. That's Lesotho National Broadcasting Service. We will see if we can pick up something there. 639. And let's put in this antenna. Well, clearly it works. It's picked up that signal, and this antenna is directional. It works. As you saw, as I was swiveling it around, the signal got better. So it's passed that initial test as well. And let's see on shortwave. I'll just try 4930 kilohertz. That's Voice of America from Celebi Pikwe in Botswana, very close to me. And often I do pick that one up during the daytime as well. So let's see if we change to shortwave. Four, 930. No, not much here now. Okay, so no luck there on 4930. I'm going to try one more, and that one is on 15715. 15715. Yes, there we go.
Talking about the idea, but on a different side of This is very interesting to me. That
Okay, so I'm happy. Very quick first test. Got FM clearly. AM picks up a distant daytime signal. Shortwave picks up. So one last thing I want to do is to see, let's just switch off the power, what firmware version this set has. So to do that, you need to press VM. .368.4. So this is version 368.4. So that's my unboxing of this radio. Very happy with this one. I'm heading off into the mountains tomorrow. I will take this one with me. I will take it on my hikes. I will see what I can pick up there. Fits nicely in its little carrying case. And you can put it through your belt here. Nice radio. Very happy I finally got one. Thank you. If you like what you see, please subscribe and please click on like and return for more videos of unboxings, some of my shortwave and medium wave catchers, and reviews of different radios.